Good morning. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I'd like to deposit some cash into my checking account, please.
Certainly. Could you please state your account number and provide some identification?
Yes, my account number is 123-456-789. Here's my national ID card.
Thank you. And how much would you like to deposit?
I'd like to deposit 10 million dong. Also, I was wondering if you could tell me about your current savings account options. I'm looking for one with a competitive interest rate. Of course. We have a few attractive savings accounts. Our premium savings account currently offers a 5% annual interest rate, compounded monthly. It also allows for unlimited online transfers.
That sounds quite appealing. Are there any minimum balance requirements or monthly fees associated with it? For the premium savings account, there's a minimum opening deposit of 5 million dong, but no monthly maintenance fees as long as you maintain a balance above 2 million dong. That's reasonable. Could you perhaps give me a brochure or more detailed information to review at home? Absolutely. Here's a brochure outlining all our savings products. If you decide to proceed, you can easily open it online or visit us again. Thank you so much for your help. You're most welcome. Have a great day. Deposit. I need to deposit my paycheck into my account. Withdraw. You can withdraw cash from any ATM. Checking account. Most people use their checking account for daily expenses. Savings account. I'm saving money for a down payment in my savings account. Identification. Please present a valid identification. Interest rate. The bank is offering a higher interest rate for new customers. Compounded. The interest is compounded annually, meaning it adds up over time. Minimum balance. Some accounts require a minimum balance to avoid fees. Monthly fees/maintenance fees. This premium account has no monthly maintenance fees. Brochure. I picked up a brochure about their new credit card offers.